Hello everyone, here's Muhammad Jarar and today I'm going to take you through the solar system and its planets, the whole concept for class 5. So, let's start. There are many planetary systems like stars in the solar system, in the universe, with planets orbiting a host star or planetary system is named the solar system because our sun is named Sol after the Latin word for sun, solis, and anything related to sun we call solar. Oh, that was amazing! So, that was a little bit introduction to our solar system, but now we are going on to our planets. There are a total of 8 planets in our solar system. Like the first one goes Mercury, second one is Venus, third one is Earth on which we live, and fourth one is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So let's learn about them one by one. There are more planets than stars in our galaxy. The current count orbiting our star, 8. The inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer planets are gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Beyond Neptune, a newer class of smaller worlds called dwarf planets reign, including long-time favorite Pluto. Thousands more planets have been discovered beyond our solar system. Scientists call them exoplanets. Exo means from outside. So let's go through in detail. The primary planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the sun, has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces so that it assumes a hydrostatic equilibrium shape and is cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. And dwarf planets, the universe contains unique objects that don't always fit into neat categories like stars, planets, and galaxies. Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Magnet, Haumea, hypothetical planets. Caltech researchers have found mathematical evidence suggesting there may be a planet X deep in the solar system. Let's head on with the first planet, Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and nearest to the sun. Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Oh my goodness! From the surface of the Mercury, the sun would appear more than 3 times as large as it does when viewed from Earth, and the sunlight would be as much as 7 times brighter as on Earth. Despite its proximity to the sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system. That title belongs to nearby Venus thanks to its dense atmosphere. Venus is similar in size and structure to Earth. Venus has been called Earth's twin. These are not identical twins. Venus has a thick toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and it's perpetually shrouded in thick yellowish clouds of mostly sulfuric acid that trap heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even though Mercury is closer to the sun. Venus has crushing air pressure at its surface. It's similar to the pressure you'd encounter a mile below the ocean on Earth. This is the train of Venus, our planet, Earth. Our home planet is the third planet from the Sun and the only place we know of so far that is inhabited by living things. While Earth is only the fifth largest planet in our solar system, it is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. The name Earth is at least 1,000 years old. All of the planets except for Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is a Germanic word which simply means the ground. Oh, this is a red planet. This is a planet with red dust. I don't like it. But let's study about this. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars is also a dynamic planet with seasons, polarized caves, canyons, extinct volcanoes, evidence that it was more active in the past. Mars is one of the most explored bodies in our solar system, and it's the only planet where we have sent rovers to roam the alien landscape. 2 NASA rovers and 1 lander are currently exploring the surface of Mars. An international fleet of 8 orbiters are studying the red planet from above. Hey, you! The planet with red. So I don't like you. I don't like this red planet. Oh, but this is only science. Without spending a lot of time on the jokes, let's go on another planet, that is Jupiter. Jupiter has a long history, surprising scientists all the way back to 1610, all when Galileo Galilei found the first moons beyond the Earth. Fifth in line from the Sun, Jupiter is by far the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter's familiar stripes and swirls are actually called windy clouds of ammonia and water, floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's iconic red spot is a giant storm bigger than Earth that has dragged for hundreds of years. Oh, look at it. It's brilliant. How beautiful it is. I like. But Earth is better than that. That was a clever joke. Oh my goodness, only we are spending time on jokes. We should also understand something. We should also study. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in our solar system, adorned with thousands of beautiful ringlets. Saturn is unique among the planets. It is not the only planet to have rings made of chunks of ice and rock, but none are as spectacular or as complicated as Saturn's. Like fellow gas giant Jupiter, Saturn is a massive ball made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Oh, 2 planets made of hydrogen and helium. That was very clever. I don't like these rings. How they are on this planet. Oh, but what we can do, this is science. So, let's head on to Uranus, the first planet found with the aid of a telescope. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by astronomer William Herschel, although he originally thought it was either a comet or a star. Oh, it's a planet. Who are you, William Herschel? It was a planet. It's a planet. It's not a comet or a star. Oh, he thought that it was a comet or a star, but it wasn't. It was 2 years later that the object was universally accepted as a new planet, in part because of observations by astronomer Johann Elliott Bode. Oh, good. His answer was right. Herschel tried unsuccessfully to name his discovery George Elcidas after King George III. Instead, the scientific community accepted Bode's suggestion to name it Uranus, the Greek god of the sky, as suggested by Bob. William Herschel, it's not a comet or a star, it's a planet. You don't know? Oh, we shouldn't say anything to someone. Just I was joking. But he also tried a lot. William Herschel tried a lot. But let's go on to Neptune. Dark, cold, and whipped by supersonic wind-sized giant, Neptune is the eighth and most distant planet in our solar system, more than 30 times as far from the sun as Earth. Neptune is the only planet in our solar system not visible to the naked eye and the first predicted by mathematics before its discovery. NASA's Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune up close. It flew past in 1989 on its way out of the solar system. That was great. Oh, this is a quote by Stephen Hawking. I think we have a good chance of surviving long enough to colonize the solar system. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please share this video so that others can also get knowledge about the solar system. So please subscribe to my channel so that you stay updated on the videos that I upload. Goodbye.